migraine, and my pain will range from up, down, and sideways. Thank God it's Friday, cause Fridays will always be better than Sundays, cause Sundays are my suicide days. I don't know why they always seem so dismal. Thunderstorms, clouds, snow, and a slight drizzle. Whether it's the weather or the letters by my bed, sometimes death seems better than the migraine in my head. Let it be said what the headache represents. It's me defending in suspense. It's me suspended in a defenseless test, being tested by a ruthless examiner that's represented best by my depressing thoughts. I do not have writer's block. My retina dictates the clock. It will not let me sleep. I get so sleep when I'm dead, and sometimes death seems better than the migraine in my head. Am I the only one I know, waging my wars behind my face and above my throat? Shadows will scream that I'm alone, but I know we've made it this far, kid.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the LAPD. The LAPD has activated the Amber Network. 2 children have been abducted from Anaheim, California. Eric Robinson is a 10-year-old white male, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 90 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a maroon hoodie, with a black shirt underneath, with black jeans and red and orange shoes. The second victim is Alex Scott, white male, 10 years old, 5 feet 2 inches tall, 93 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes with blue and black glasses. He was last seen wearing a blue hoodie, with a green neon shirt underneath, black jeans, and red shoes. The children were likely abducted by an unknown suspect. Suspect's vehicle is a tan 2006 Ford Explorer, with California license plate number 6GX538V. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of these children, immediately call 911. The suspect is armed and dangerous, so we are asking all persons in Anaheim to stay off of Interstate 5 San Diego Interstate North. The suspect and the victims are headed to Salem, Oregon. Do not take any forces of action with the suspect, or this could endanger you or put the children in more danger.
His name is John Cena!